Hello friends, semi-qualified chartered accountant is a segment that's very close to my heart. Now I often keep coming up with different positions for semi-qualified chartered accountants. I recently had put up a notification of the Indian Oil where they are going to recruit semi-qualified chartered accountants at astounding salaries. Those kind of salaries are rare and far between. Normally, where is that big opportunity for chartered accountants? Semi-qualified segment. So people who have even cleared like CA Inter, completed 3 years of articleship, or even cleared one group of CA final and somehow stuck in the other. The possible investment avenues here in terms of employment is the CA firms. Normally CA firms pay 15,000, 17,000, 20,000 per month to their semi-qualified chartered accountants, and you're completely loaded with work, so much and so that you don't have even good weekends off to study for CA final. So my prognosis here is that today shared services or offshore or KPO, knowledge process outsourcing, has come up in a very big way in India. So you've got the big 4 firms which have set up a PwC SDC, a EY, a Deloitte USI, and then KPMG Global Services, KGS as they called, and even Grant Thornton. They've set up their offshore audit centers here. So internal audit as well as start audit is done from India for their US clients, for their UK clients, Australian clients, Canada clients. They pay kind of like 4,80,000, 5 lakhs in cities like Calcutta. In cities like Hyderabad, you might even get like 6-7 lakh rupees per annum of salaries. And then what happens is that once this cash flow starts coming, your self-confidence increases, and you've got clear-cut weekends off, and so there is clear-cut work-life balance. You can prepare for CA final here. Plus, with the good cash flows, now that CPA exams are being held in India, you can easily clear 4 papers of CPA and go for your career. Now coming to career, yes, of course, you got to make revisions of CA final. I'm not telling you to quit CA final. So for example, Unacademy is offering rapid revision series for CA final. They've already started that on the 23rd of September, and that's going to extend now. So for audit, for law, for costing, for SFM, for FR, these classes are free rapid revision classes. So I'm sharing the link in the description. So coming back to our topic, so you got to remain in touch with your syllabus, complete CA. Even if that does not happen, if you've completed CPA, these KPOs are clearly going to take cognizance of this fact. I know for a fact, for example, Deloitte USI reimburses the fees that you've incurred for CPA if you actually clear it. So it's on a success fee basis. But then once you got that CPA ka chap or that branding, you become like a professional. So like within that doctor versus compounder debate in the CA fraternity between a semi-qualified chartered accountant and a qualified chartered accountant, you suddenly become a CPA. And for this offshore setup, which is going to continuously grow in India as more and more work comes here, and the complexity of the work which is done here, in terms of, we are also now looking at aspects like the partner in India is going to do end-to-end audit of that US entity, sign financials, and through an inter-office memo send it to the US counterpart, and he's going to sign on it because that's the official CPA who's got to sign there. So that's the kind of component which is coming here, and they're going to put a lot of AI ML also here. So if you are a semi-qualified chartered accountant, I think instead of just staying at home feeling frustrated with life, always good to increase self-confidence. Like in wrestling also, if you lose in the 65 kg category, sometimes they put you in the 56 kg category. You win, and once you win, your confidence increases, and then you go back to the 65 kg category and start winning again. So maybe this one stint in a KPO and an offshore in a shared service center can do wonders to your career. It's not just Big 4. HSBC has got a shared service center, Capgemini, Genpact, and then in Bangalore they've got JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank, Goldman Sachs. Everywhere you need semi-qualified chartered accountant, because they know that a semi-qualified chartered accountant with 3 years complete articleship is one asset that they should have in their accounting team. That guy is hardworking, sincere, very thorough on the technical knowledge, because clearing exams here or there becomes a matter slightly of luck as well. But in the meantime, I hope that you keep getting that confidence of winning and complete your CPA and maybe in the process even CA. So that's my dream for you, and I'm sure that this video could have be of some help to you. If the same has been there, please share it with your near and dear ones, and then maybe we can help this channel reach out to a large number of people. Thank you so much.